In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box to a Tableau dashboard, a feature essential for enhancing the clarity and context of your data visualizations. Whether you're adding a header, caption, or extra notes, a text box in Tableau can be your go-to tool for delivering additional insights to your data story. Follow along as we dive into the step-by-step process of integrating this feature into your dashboards. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Tableau. The official Tableau website should be your top result. Once you're on the Tableau site, log into your existing account or sign up if you haven't done so already. This step is crucial because you can't create or modify dashboards without being logged in. Once you are logged in, you have two options. You can click on an existing workbook if you wish to add the text box to a previously created dashboard, or you can create a new workbook to start fresh. After selecting the desired workbook or setting up a new one, the next step is to head over to the dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the respective tab or icon that takes you to the dashboard area where your visualizations are assembled. Now that you are in the dashboard area, focus on accessing the Objects pane. This is usually situated on the left side of your screen in Tableau and contains various tools and elements you can add to your dashboard. Look for the text object in this pane. This is what you'll be using to add your text box. Next, drag the text object to the desired spot on your dashboard. Once placed, you'll see a dialog box pop up. This is where the magic happens. You can now enter the text that you want to include in the dashboard. Whether it's a simple title or a detailed explanation, type your text here. After entering the text, it's time to customize it to fit the visual theme of your dashboard. Tableau offers a range of customization options. By experimenting with fonts, colors, size adjustments, and alignment, you can match your text box to the overall design of your dashboard and ensure that it complements the data visualizations effectively. Double-check everything to make sure your text looks exactly how you want it. Ensure it's legible against the background and does not obstruct any data elements or confuse the viewer. By following these steps, you've successfully added a text box to your Tableau dashboard. This simple yet powerful addition can significantly enhance the message your data conveys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has clarified how to use text boxes in Tableau to enrich your presentations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more Tableau tips and